Project is a hockey predictor which uses web scraping, some advanced statistics, and also uses the Twitter module a little bit. Start off, it will scrape some data from a website kind of like this. There's a page for the league leaders, which I get from here, and it also has individual teams, which I can also scrape the data for. It also will scrape some team data, which I use to make my predictions as well. And the last thing it scrapes is the daily schedule, and right now I have it back set so I could do some testing of it. But it can do this setup for the current day, and yeah, my user interface is done with TK Enter. And to start off, you can click a team, or like this is the team data right here, which will display all teams and their statistics, and there's an about page which goes into detail of how it does the calculations. In the interface, there's also a page that just shows its predictions for the day, and it'll tell you the player's name and who they're playing against. And I did a bit of testing on this, and for April 6th through April 11th, it made 31 predictions total, and 22 were right, so it was more than 70% accurate. And it also has the team pages, which with each of the players' data, and they're all in the team's individual colors. Yeah, and it also implements the Twitter module in that every day it can tweet it will tweet some of its predictions. And this isn't set up where it can do this every day automatically. That would involve me setting up a cron job, but and I haven't gotten around to that yet. But it has that capability, and if I run it, it can make all of its predictions right there. And also, if you send this account a tweet with like a team's name or a player's last name, it can reply with that player's rating with the same statistics that you would find in here. So you'd see that Ovechkin has a 10.0 in the user interface, and that's what the Twitter account tweeted out. So it uses all of the same data. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go Caps.